Today we are sharing you some awesome scholarship opportunities sponsored by Government of Maharashtra. We have got 4 scholarship information that could really help you to continue with your studies, whether you are in college, pursuing undergraduate, masters or taking professional courses. Let's dive into the details. So let's begin with the first scholarship information, that is Dr. Panjabrao Deshmukh Vasitigriha Nirvah Bhatt Scholarship. This scholarship is a hope for the students who are facing the financial challenges, whereas this scholarship provides a substantial financial boost ranging from 8,000 to 30,000 for 10 months. But this scholarship is absolutely dependent on the family income and the location where you are staying in. So let's dive into the details. To apply for this scholarship, applicant must be a citizen of India with a domicile status in Maharashtra. Applicant must be pursuing a professional or the technical courses at graduation, post-graduation or at the diploma level. Remember that the applicant must have not received any financial assistance or other scholarship from other resources. And there should not be a gap of 2 or more number of years during pursuing your course. Documents required to apply for this scholarship are 10th and 12th mark sheet, domicile certificate, registered labor or a marginal landholder certificate, CAP document or hostler document if applicable, undertaking letter that in current year not more than 2 family members are beneficiaries of the same family. If you have any questions, then leave your query in the comment box. We will reply as soon as possible. Please show us some love by hitting the like button now. Your support motivates us to create a more content related to scholarship. So what are you waiting for? Give a thumbs up now. Thanks a million to be the part of our community. We now explore the Eklavya Scholarship, a gem for the students who are pursuing their masters in Maharashtra. This scholarship offers a reward of 5,000 rupees and targeting those families whose annual income is not exceeding 75,000 rupees. To be eligible for this scholarship, applicant must be the resident of Maharashtra and must have studied his or her education only in Maharashtra. Applicant must have secured minimum of 60% in graduation and not engaged in any part-time or full-time employment. And the documents you need to attach are Aadhaar card, passport size photograph, address proof, ID proof, domicile certificate, bank passbook, income certificate, and make sure that your mobile number is active. If you are unable to find the right scholarship, then level up your scholarship game with a Plus membership. Get a personalized dashboard, be the first to know about the matching up scholarship and enjoy the prompt support. Grab the exclusive 40% off as an introductory price for a limited period of time. Upgrade now for only $599 to unlock your scholarship journey with us. Link in description box. Next on our list is Jawaharlal Nehru University Scholarship, a fantastic opportunity for the students who are pursuing their bachelor's and masters. This scholarship offers a monthly scholarship of 8,000 rupees and an annual allowance of 10,000 rupees. To apply for this scholarship, you must be a permanent resident of Maharashtra, admitted to a graduation or post-graduation course at JNU. There must be a specific conditions for the Maharashtrian student at JNU. To apply for this scholarship, you need the documents like Aadhaar card, address proof, ID proof, domicile certificate, bank passbook, previous year mark sheets, and make sure that your mobile number and email ID are active. I have made a WhatsApp channel for our community member where I'll be sharing a new scholarship updates along with its apply process video. Link is given in the description box. Join now. Last but certainly not least, Chhatrapati Shahu Maharaj Shikshan Shulk Shishyavriti Scholarship, a hope for the students who are pursuing their bachelors. Let's uncover the details. To apply for this, you must be the Maharashtra domicile holder belonging to the areas bordering the Karnataka state. Your family income should be less than 8 lakhs rupees. Only first 2 child of the family can avail this scholarship. Courses approved by government, university, AICTE, PCI, MCI, NCTE or COA. Students who are pursuing their courses under distance education, virtual education or part-time are not eligible for this scholarship. To apply for this scholarship, you need to attach the following documents like ID proof, address proof, income certificate, CAP related documents, GAP related documents if applicable, parent certificate, attendance certificate and previous year mark sheet. There you have it, aspiring scholars. The government of Maharashtra is opening her doors to education with an incredible scholarship opportunities. Whether you are pursuing bachelor's, master's or professional courses, there is a scholarship waiting for you. Don't miss these opportunities and don't forget to share this information with your friends. Signing off, take care until next time.